What's up guys, Dynamic Tech here. Hope you guys are doing great. Welcome back. And as you read on the title, today's video is gonna be about an application which can do a lot more than you can imagine for an application to do. So without wasting time, let's start. Okay, so the application is a software named Driver Booster 9. Most of you guys should be familiar with this application, but I don't think that you are aware of all of its features and functions. So today I'm gonna brief that section in this video. First, let's see how to download it. Okay, so here we are on the official website of Adobe, and in the section of Driver Booster 9 you will find this link in the video description and you can definitely navigate to it. So to download this application, you simply have to click on free download. Here you have to notice one thing: this application is in fact paid, but it's also have a free version where, as you all know, the features and functions are a bit limited, but it's okay. So to download it, click on free download and it should take you to the page. And as you all can see, my download just started. Okay, this is the setup we just downloaded, and the next thing we have to do is install the software. Okay, as you all can see, the software is now installed, but you guys should be wondering that I downloaded Driver Booster 9's setup, but the software we installed is just Driver Booster 8. So don't worry about it. The software recognizes the best edition for the version of Windows you are using. You can also get the 8 or 9 version. It's up to the software. So now double click on the software to open it. And here you can scan for your device drivers which are outdated. So let's see. Okay, so these are the outdated drivers for my computer. So the main purpose of this application is to install the latest drivers of the devices your computer is using, and as you all can see, it is totally free. And the second purpose of it is the CPU optimization. You can boost your game and you can also optimize your system by checking it out. Okay, as you all can see, 444 items found which are not optimized in my computer. So you can manually clean it by clicking on manual clean, and here you will see bunch of options which you cannot do without this software. You cannot clean all the junk files, privacy traces, internet improvements, registry entries, and mainly system optimizations. So keep clicking on the clean and this will automatically do the tricks. So the process we just used to optimize our machine will keep your computer from 99.9% of the issues about your devices, softwares, or any others. And secondary, it has great tools for fixing device errors, fixing no sound, network failure, bad resolution. Basically all of these issues come with the drivers, and as you all can see, the driver booster just updates the drivers and fixes the issues. And the most of part, it backups and restores the default settings. So in case anything goes wrong, you have all the data of your computer saved and backed up. So this was the application which can do a lot things in your computer. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and this video is not totally sponsored by Driver Booster. I just made it for the beginners to make tweaks in their computers which cannot use manually by themselves. So if you guys enjoyed the video, you can click on that like button, and if you're new on the channel, then click on subscribe button. Also turn on the bell notification to get all the updates. See you in the very next video. Till then, bye bye.